South Korea announces construction of enormous, futuristic, spokeless Ferris wheel.
Huh?
Whoa. I mean...
Looks like a giant engagement ring.
I mean, I like it. South Korea has announced that it will be building the world's largest hubless Ferris wheel. The futuristic structure is called Seoul Ring, and it's set to go up in Hanol Park. The location will mean that guests will get a sweeping view of Seoul's Hangang River, set to be complete by 2025. That doesn't take too long.
Not too bad, eh?
A major tourism investment in the city, a diameter of 590 feet. It will become the world's second largest Ferris wheel after one in Dubai. However, it will be the record holder for a Ferris wheel without spokes or hubs. Solar energy will power the attraction, which will feature 36 glass capsules, each capsule to hold a maximum of 25 guests, and the city's hoping that at least 1,200 guests a day will hop on for a ride.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. That is really cool looking. So hubless, so it's got some sort of clamp and track, I guess, at the bottom portion.
Yeah. They don't show that in the concepts, but that would be there.
The old clamp and track.
Uh-huh.
They got it right by the river.
That looks huge, eh?
You got one of these Ferris wheels by the river over there in London as well. I mean,
I was just thinking.
Not like this.
Near the Big Ben?
This thing is wild.
This thing looks huge, though.
The only thing is with this style of design, your actual capsule is inside of another glass enclosure instead of on the outside. So now you've got more glass to look through. So I don't know if that's going to matter.
How are they going to engineer this glass?
It's a hell of a cleaning task, Will.
Uh-huh.
Get up there and wipe off that glass. Ooh, here's what it will look like from inside. Yeah, you know what? I take back what I said. I think the double glass will be fine.
Have a couple dinner parties in there?
It'll be fine. You'll catch that crazy view regardless.